Hey, this is Miss Sebastian. This is Unit 2, Lesson 9, the exterior angles of a triangle. So the first question that we will look at says the measurement of one angle of a right triangle is 32 degrees. So it doesn't matter which one. I'm just going to label it down here. And remember, a right angle is 90. So if you need to label that, go right ahead. What is the measurement of the missing angle? Remember that all triangles add up to 180 degrees. So I've got 90 degrees plus 32 degrees plus some other is 180. So what I do first is I add these two together. So 90 plus 32 gives me 122. Okay, and then I'm going to take my 122 and subtract it from 180 so I can get my question mark by itself. So I'm going to subtract from both sides of the equation. Okay, over here you create that zero pair. And 180 minus 122 does give me 58 degrees. So that's the measurement of the missing angle. Okay, what is the correct classification of the triangle? Okay, so a correct classification, remember you can have right triangle, acute triangle, or obtuse. Remember, right has a 90-degree angle. Acute, I think of that as cute little angles. All angles are less than 90 degrees. And obtuse, one angle is greater than 90. Okay, so I'm going to look at my angles here. I've got 37. Ooh, that's an acute angle. Ooh, I've got 92. And then I've got an angle over here, I don't know. But if I look right here at this one, 92 degrees, oh, right off the bat, I can choose obtuse because it says one angle is greater than 90. And this one is. So this triangle, without knowing that last one, is an obtuse triangle. Okay, let's look here. Find the missing angle. So this is our same triangle from up top. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to say 92 degrees plus 37 degrees plus some other angle gives us 180 degrees because all triangles add up to 180. So when I add 92 and 37, I do get 129 degrees. Now I have to subtract that from both sides to get the question mark by itself. So on the left I do get that zero pair. And when I subtract, I do get 51 degrees. And I found that missing angle, and you can label it in your triangle if that makes it easier. Okay? Now, the measurements of the angles of triangle ABC are given by the expressions in the table. Find the value of x, then find the measures of angles B and C. So we're given one angle of the triangle, and then we're given two expressions for the other. But what we do know is they all add up to 180. So all I have to do is just add them together. So I'm going to write them out. 4x minus 28 and 5x equals 180. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine like terms. So I see 4x and 5x, so that's 9x, and then I see minus 28 and positive 28, so that gives me 0. So I don't have to keep following that down. Now all I have to do is divide by 9. Okay, so 180 divided by 9 does give me 20. So now I found x, then it tells me to find the measures of angle B and C. So I just have to plug it in. 4 times 20 minus 28. So 4 times 20 is 80 minus 28 gives me 52 degrees. Then I can plug it in here. 5 times x, which was 20, equals 100 degrees. So now I've answered all of what they've asked.